Hi kids! Today we're going to hear an amazing story from the Bible about a tall tower and how God taught the people an important lesson. Let's dive into the story of the Tower of Babel. A long time ago, after Noah and the Great Flood, everyone in the world spoke the same language. This made it easy for people to communicate and work together. Hey, let's build something amazing together. Yeah, let's make a tower that reaches the sky. The people traveled east and found a plain in Shinar where they decided to settle down and build their tower. The people started making bricks and baking them thoroughly. They used brick instead of stone and tar instead of mortar. Look at our bricks. They're so strong. Let's build our city and a tower that reaches the heavens. Yes, then we'll make a name for ourselves and not be scattered over the face of the whole earth. They worked hard and the tower grew taller and taller. But their plan wasn't just about building. It was about pride and wanting to be famous. God came down to see the city and the tower that the people were building. If they all speak the same language and have started to do this, then nothing they plan to do will be impossible for them. I need to teach them a lesson about humility and working together in the right way. So, God decided to mix up their language so they wouldn't understand each other. Hand me that brick. What did you say? I don't understand you. Why are you speaking so strangely? Because they couldn't understand each other, the workers stopped building the tower. The city was called Babel because it was there that God confused the language of the whole world. The people scattered over the face of the earth just as God wanted. The story of the Tower of Babel teaches us about the importance of humility and working together with the right intentions. It's not about making a name for ourselves, but about doing things for the right reasons and following God's plans. Remember, kids, always work together and be humble in everything you do. Thanks for listening to the story of the Tower of Babel. Stay tuned for more amazing Bible stories. See you next time.